And for those who enjoy this channel and would love to support us financially, please feel free to hit that donate link. We'd greatly appreciate it. God bless.
Okay, once again, we're gonna talk about some of God's features of the universe. Here we see what's named the Cartwheel Galaxy. Is crafted by the master designer. Okay, but here's my own opinion, just my own. And I've never heard astronomers say this before, even creation astronomers. You can even use it if you want. Okay. We are able to name galaxies based on their size, their shapes, their colors. The fact that we can do that means they are special. Okay? If you cannot name something, and if those galaxies are just circular or rectangular or square or something like that, how do you name them? Okay, so the fact there are diverse types of galaxies is proof that there was a designer which created a diverse type of galaxies in which we could name by how they look like. Although there are elliptical galaxies which are oblong or circular, a lot of them, okay, they also differ by colors. We do not name many of them, but still their colors make them unique, like gems. Okay, so oh yes, gems, they are gems. Now, next picture. Okay, as you can see, that is the planet Mars over there. Okay, and this is the sad thing. Before the 80s, the goal of NASA was trying to just simply explore space. And of course, in the 50s and 60s, the goal was to reach the moon, explore God's creation, as there are many Christian or religious astronomers and astrophysicists like Dr. Werner von Braun, a rocket engineer, who took us to the moon with his Saturn V rocket. Okay, that was before. So like I said, the sad thing now is evolutionary scientists, now we call them evolutionary scientists. They are no longer what we called them before, which are real astronomers, which were trying to discover creation of God's universe. Okay, and look at that. They spend billions of dollars searching for Martian life, yet found nothing. Billions of dollars of taxpayers' money laid waste because they wanted to find life. That's one reason, to prove that if life can evolve on other planets, then why not on Earth? It's one reason out of many. Okay? Now, the next picture. At first glance, you will just see a tiny yellow dot on the left side and a rectangular red on the right side. Okay? And look at that straight line. Look at that straight line. VY Cans Majoris or Majoris. Okay, so at first glance, that's how you see it. But in fact, the left side, the yellow side, is our sun, and the right side is a star, the biggest star in the universe compared to our sun. And take a look, we don't even see an arc or even a slight arc, just a straight line, which proves it is really, really massive. If we see an arc, then the star is still big, but not as big as this one. Look at that straight line. Incredible. Okay, and this is, like I said, and like what's written here, a cosmic wonder of creation. And why would God create such a massive star? Well, as we know, one of them is for His glory and to amaze us. Okay, to amaze us. Okay, now lastly, there is a bomb below, as you can see, which did not explode. Okay, and now I wrote Big Bang or Big Dot, and I'm not kidding with this. You can even do some research. Some astronomers have confessed the reason why the Big Bang has stayed is because they cannot find something else to replace it with. Oh my goodness. Billions and billions of dollars invested for something, an idea, that's because they cannot find something to replace it with. Okay, so they just assume the Big Bang is true. Although there are evidence that the Big Bang is true, there are more problems than the fact that the Big Bang is true. Okay, now it stayed because they cannot find something else to replace it with. It proves that they recognize the Big Bang is failing. Okay, but they have to stay with the Big Bang, or else they will not have a theory to explain the origin of the universe. So this is billions of dollars just to find nothing because they cannot find something else to replace it with. What I mean by nothing is the Big Bang is like nothing to some astronomers because they cannot find something else to replace it with. So that will be all. Thank you.
For all those who appreciate the work that we're doing here on Standing for Truth, please hit that subscribe button because we are just getting started.